Hey guys, Mikey Games 11 here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make thumbnails. So, first I go to Editor Studio, then I go to Fonto. This is what I do to make thumbnails. So, let's go into Fonto, and here. So this is what it looks like when you get into Fonto. So you want to do, you want to press the camera in the middle, then you want to press photo albums. You can download like a whole bunch of backgrounds from Google and Safari and whatever. You can you can save them in your camera roll and you can use them. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna go to photo albums and load. Go to moments. Use this. I'm gonna make a brand new thumbnail. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so now you have your thing loaded in. What you want to do is press the three lines on the bottom left. Then you want to press square crop. Then you want to zoom this in into how you want it. So then you press done of your YouTube thumbnail. So that's how it should look. Now what you want to do, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the screen and I'm going to add a text. And it has a bunch of fonts and stuff. But what I'm going to do is how to make a, I'm going to put how to make and then press return. You don't want it like all the way across because that will it will look weird on the, when you actually put it on the thumbnail. So how to make this thumbnail. And I'm going to put that. Alright, so now I'm going to press done, and I already have my font. I'm just going to go to size, and I'm going to make it smaller. Alright, now that I have my size. Alright, so I'm going to put it at 0.96, and I'm going to go to style. I'm going to go to stroke, and I'm going to turn it all the way up. And then I'm going to go to stroke width and make it like, I'm going to make it out of 10 so it looks way better. I'm going to go to text. I'm going to change the color of the text. I'm going to have it like that, the yellow. Then I'm going to go to style. I'm going to turn alpha all the way up. And I'm going to turn the blur, kind of. Then X is to make it move left and move it around. Then Y is to make it go up and down. So I'm going to have a little. Alright, and now I'm going to go to spacing. And letter is how it's spaced out. So I'm going to have it like that. And then I'm going to have a line of how close it is. I'm going to have it there. Then I'm going to press done. And that's how it looks. Alright, so now I'm going to go tilt it. I'm going to tilt it right here. Actually, I'm going to have it here. So to make a thumbnail. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to not add text. I'm going to go press the three lines again. I'm going to press add image. I'm going to go to moments. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the like and share. And you can add that if you want and do whatever. So, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do the phone image. Go to edit. Let's have this up more. And I'm going to have the phone image. Then I'm going to press three lines again. I'm going to go add image. And then I'm going to put this. And then boom. And then I'm going to press, I'm going to go and then square crop. Not there. On this one. Then I'm going to press alpha and make sure your alpha is like all the way up. If you want. That's what I'm going to have. So I'm pressing again. I'm going to press tilt. Well, actually, yeah, I'm going to tilt it. there, there. Size. Then you go to size. Make it small. Like that. And I'm going to keep doing that. And then that should look good. Then we go to width. I'm going to go add text. There's a whole space, so I'm going to go to emojis. And then I'm going to do... sorry if you hear noise in the background. I'm going to do this. So, then I'm going to size. And I'm going to have it like that. And style. And stroke. And then I'm going to have that all the way up. And the stroke is going to be white. Yeah. There. So, there you go. Then alpha on a little. Blur like that. And then like that. Sorry if you hear noise in the background. Just my sister. Alright, and then I'm going to have that. And then this is going to be, no. That, there, this. This is right there. I'm going to have it actually there. Alright, and that's how you make a thumbnail. So you press that bottom right arrow pointing up. And you press save image. And then you press OK. And now your image is saved. So now what you want to do is go to photos. Press all photos. No, all photos. And then it's right here. That's your thumbnail. Alright, and that's how you make a thumbnail, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe on this video. Comment down below what you want me to have in the next video. And I'll see y'all later.